Welcome to today's video where we will practice sounding out some of our CVC words. Hi, I'm Tash and you're watching Little Seedlings Sensory. If you'd like to see more of this type of content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and then you'll be notified of any new videos. Today we're going to be focusing on the short A vowel sound, in particular our at words. Just a reminder that CVC stands for our Consonant Vowel Consonant words. Let's get ready for our first word and sound it out with me. K, a, t, cat. Great job everyone. Let's do it again. K, a, t, cat. Well done. Let's get ready for our next word. B, a, t, bat. Brilliant. Let's do that one again. B, a, t, bat. Excellent work, everyone. Let's get ready for our next word. S, a, t, sat. Great work. Let's do that one again. S, a, t, sat. Well done everyone. Let's look at our next word. A, t, mat. Well done. Let's do that one again. A, t, mat. Well done everyone. Let's look at our next word. A, rat. Excellent work. Let's try that one again. A, t, rat. Well done. Let's get ready for our final word. A, t, hat. Well done everyone. Let's do that one more time. A, hat. Excellent work everybody. Pat on the back. If you want more practice, just rewind the video and do it again. Until next time, bye bye.